That'll work.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of SOP. I am your host, Hanzo the God. Johnny 2J's over there. And today we got a special guest, Zach.
What's up?
Alright, so we're back at it. When I say we, I mean John and Zach, because I just showed up. I'm late.
He's a pretty face.
I'm the pretty face, dude. I have to get this done. Anyways, so they're still working on getting those two bolts out from yesterday. Apparently, they're fighters. So let's check to see what they've done.
Nothing. What we haven't done.
What they've done here. Let's see.
We down at pizza though.
They've chiseled one, and the other one still stands hard. Well, you think you'll get it out today?
Fuck no.
No. I love it.
Positivity and honesty.
Yeah, the honesty. That's what I like right there, guys.
That's all I can drink.
Another food vlog. 90% of the time.
That's what we do.
90% of the time. You said it. Well, guys, I brought the air compressor to help out because Johnny's little small one over here. Check it. Johnny's little small compressor, and then I brought this guy to hopefully help out with the situation we're having here with the bolts. But as it turns out, those bolts were cursed, and they don't want to come out. So what we're gonna go do right now is we're gonna go to Harbor Freight, and we're gonna go ahead and purchase a air hammer with a chisel end, and hopefully break the heads off and get the bolts out. So wish us luck. You guys find it yet? Oh,
Is it right here?
oh, that's actually a pretty good one. Straight. Well, then again,
Well, I
wouldn't
can't tell which way to go.
wouldn't it be
That's air hammer and then they
All
give you
messed
the
up.
chisel. Oh, that's it right there. Hell yeah. $14. I'm saying, where's the fucking chisel? The fuck is this?
Why do I feel like $14 sounds like an amazing deal, but it's
I
also
know.
gonna break?
Almost like it will break. Nah, it's good.
Oh, that's good.
The earthquake, we good, right?
That'll get it off.
I think
We found what we needed, guys.
I think that'll
I think
work.
it'll get it off.
We're gonna resurface the flywheel with that.
The air hammer.
Heck is this?
Just got back to Johnny's house from Harbor Freight. Gave the impact hammer, impact gun, whatever you want to call it, impact hammer, a try, and apparently it doesn't work. So it's time to bring out the big gun.
That'll work. Ooh, that got my shirt hot. All right.
A little bit. You got the safety glasses?
Got the most expensive safety glasses you have ever seen.
Let me see them.
Sunglasses. Who would you down cut?
Well,
That's why I was like, I don't know.
a little late, but if you need the safety glasses, you can use them while you're chiseling now.
Right behind you.
Oops.
fat ass groove now. Hell no.
Alright, looks like it's Johnny 2J's turn. Zach threw in the towel for now. Johnny's going in for the kill. After all that knocking. Wow.
This.
Is it rusted?
No.
That shit just in.
Hold on, bro. Let's just see what's going on with that. Wow, that is horrible.
We grinded it, heated it, put WD-40, put
You gotta need a new flywheel, but
the air hammer. And guess what? Solved the hammer and a chisel.
So you guys finally took off the last bolt?
yes sir.
There it is. You guys are amazing.
I'm cleaning the hole.
Cleaning the whole skis. Hey Johnny, where's that flywheel at?
Hang it on the wall. I won.
Get it in
You won.
I won.
You're gonna need,
SLP finally won, dude.
you're gonna need a new rear main.
Yeah, I'm good. Remain.
The rear main's leaking.
That's
You can see
amazing.
I just wiped it all off. Or it was just WD-40 when you just hammered it like that shit.
Well, either way, I'm gonna might as well change.
And WD-40 was on the bolt. That's it.
There it is, guys. Both bolts are out.
Alright, let's put the clutch kit on without.
Alright guys, you guys saw it firsthand. It was a pain in the you know what, but SLP always wins. So on the next episode you guys see us install our clutch, pressure plate, and a new flywheel because we destroyed the other one. But yeah, so like, subscribe, follow us on social media, Johnny2J.
Enzo the God. And our special guest.
Special guest over here, what's your name?
Zach, what's up guys?
No, your Instagram name.
Master Uguay DC2.
There you go.
I'll make sure I'll write that down.
See you guys on the next one.
See you guys.